Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft, and today it's Cat's Haunted YouTube Hub project update. So I participated in this YouTube Hub hosted by Cat Paper Love, and she's hosting a great giveaway. So after you watch this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and leave a comment as well, you will go to the next video, and at the end you will have to make a comment in Cat's Paper Love channel letting her know that you have subscribed to all the channels and then you would like to enter the giveaway. So let's start. So my partner is Chasing Creativity, and I'm going to show you what I have done for her. So these swap, we were required to do an altered skull. So this is my altered skull. It's kind of girly, punk rock. We use pastel colors, and I put some flowers, light pink, and then this other flower with a baby skull in the center, and then painted around one of the eyes and around the supposedly gums of the skull, and add some sequins and a pearl. Yes, I was inspired by one of the skulls that is for sale at Pier 1, so I wanted to do my own take on it, and I think it came out really good. It's pretty, she's girly, she's punk rock, she's pasteloing, so I hope my partner will like it. So this is the first project. The second project that we were required to make in this YouTube Hub was a crown, Katrina style. So I use again pastel colors, flowers, and black flowers, just to keep the same theme going. I didn't add any skulls or spiders or anything because, again, this can look good. It's black pastel, so it can have like multiple purposes as well. And the third project, it's an embellishment book, again with pasteloing colors, and I used Paper Cakes digital collection called Spooky, and follow a tutorial from Crafting with Liller. So the first page, I put a black doily, a scallop circled, used this paper that I bought at Hobby Lobby, and a foam sticky from Walmart, and one of my bad stickies from Hobby Lobby. Then the first page, it has tags. So I included these tags from the Paper Cakes collection and two other baggy toppers. Use one of the sticky foams from Walmart. Then on my next page, I'm gonna make it here closer, I added this small baggie and a couple of die cuts from the Beautiful collection and some jammies as well. So let's put this back. Then the next page, I put together these sequin mix, things that I bought at Cartwright Sequins. I have a haul on that as well, and made this ribbon using my We Are Memory Keepers punch envelope board. And the next set, it's two embellishments that I put together using again the Spooky Pastel Paper Cakes collection, and adhere a scallop circle and glue some of the two foam stickies from Walmart, and underneath, to add more texture, I use a yarn that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. Then the next page is quite flat because this embellishment book is very bulky right now, so I just wanted to keep it flat. Put one of the Project Life cards from the Paper Cakes collection and another black flower with a bling. And then the last page, I added a baggy topper. Again, this is like an iridescent doily and a strip from the Paper Cakes collection, the yarn from Hobby Lobby, and the foam sticky from Walmart. And I put together this paper clip. I embellish it with the Spooky Pastel collection from Paper Cakes again. Put a little gemmy here. I just love this paper clip. I think it came out really cute. Okay, so on these swap, we were also required to give to our partner an 8-ounce candle. So I got her a candle called Marshmallow Fireside from Bath and Body Works. Glue one of my foam stickies, and I'm giving her this trim. I didn't glue the trim so she can reuse it. So here it is. And I'm also gifting her some things I package just to keep everything with the same theme. And this folder, I got this folder at Target last month, and I just love it. It has like all the pastel colors, and inside the folder I am giving her one of my stickers from American Crafts, and then I'm giving her some of the printed papers from Paper Cakes by Serena V, and they are printed in 110 pound paper, so she can use them. And on the front I just glue a black doily, another doily, using the same wrapping paper just to keep the same color, everything in theme, the mint and the pastels, and then this other doily as well. Giving her also these, I think this magical ball is just so cute. It's an eye. I believe it's a lucky eye. And my last gift to her is this. I put together this charm. Yes, I just love charms now. So this was one of the earrings that I bought at Walmart. So I just took the holder and plug it into one of the charms chain so she can use this charm. And then the back is one of the Paper Cakes Spooky Pastel paper collection. Isn't this cute? It goes along with the charm. And then this other one, the inside, I have to put some tissue paper. Have not wrap it. I got her this. Isn't she cute? I just love it. I love it. But I think this is just so cute. Look at her. She's like a skull wearing a wedding gown. Isn't she cute? So I'm putting her here. Eventually I will put some tissue paper. And so these are all the things that I am gifting to my partner. So for your reminders, just leave me a comment down below. If you're a new subscriber, just let me know that you subscribe. So please go to the next video. It's Chasing Creativity. That's her YouTube channel, and the link to her channel, it's in the description box below, so take a look. And remember, at the end, after you have watched all the videos, the last channel that you will land is Cat's Paper Love. She's the host and she's having a great giveaway, so you have to make a comment in her channel as well and letting her know that you sub to everyone and that you are interested in participating in her great giveaway. So this is it. Again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching. and have a spooky day. Bye.